Maui. Round 2.
Tell the attendant who will be riding with you. Remember that only 2 adults are allowed in a chair.
This skylight. Well,
I don't know where a third adult could fit right here.
What the hell? The Italian beef burger.
Sit on the inside of the chair. Follow the right attendant's instructions at all times. When the chair approaches you, sit down, lean back.
What are you trying to do?
Nothing. Just go see my. The bucket of donuts over there.
Ugh.
A lot of donuts.
The bag was just perfect.
Yep. Selling some stuff down there. Like that green one. That's a. Oh, they gotta sing along now.
She can't reach it, the little one back there. Remember, there's been some really bad ones when we've been there.
Oh yeah. Mm. Stopping again.
Yeah, Ashley was pretty hard out.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's cooler today, so her outfit didn't, it was just like, I'm wearing this outfit no matter what.
Right.
Whether it's,
Yeah, it gets a lot of young families in this thing over here. You can see. Ton of them.
I mean, I'll go all the way around and here.
Yep. Surprised more people don't advertise the back of these. I'd have magnets and put it on there.
Yep. They can drive tractors over here. They're driving tractors.
Yep.
Pedal tractors.
Some more gear over here. Like I said, you guys last time.
I'm not throwing my money on here.
No. Pretty hilarious. $3. 1, 2, 3. So I had that sandwich last year by myself a couple years ago.
What?
It was like a
Where?
right here, that Scenic 61.
Uh-huh.
Pretty good.
What was it?
It was a lobster.
Oh.
It's pretty good. Lobster roll. All right. Yay. We're happy for you. John Deere. That'd be a long thing how many semis got to bring that thing in? Yeah, they have to sit there and wait.
Mm-hmm. No fun. I mean, we've stopped, but it's been a very brief stop.
Right.
Otherwise, it keeps moving.
Right. Then, so then you have to wait to get off.
Mm-hmm.
You know. Stillwater trolley. Saw a tour bus, like a shuttle stripped out. It was a beer tour. Stopping. What?
Snow cones-ish. Ice, flavored ice is all it is.
Yeah, I know. The gyros, big dog corn dogs. The great Minnesota get-together. Found on road dead.
What?
Ford found on road dead. All right, we got a winner, man. Johnny J, man. All right, let's do it. Spin the wheel, man. It's Johnny J. What winner are you gonna get now, dudes? Oh,
There you go.
yeah, man. You're gonna get something, dude. Spin that wheel. Everyone's a winner here with Johnny J, Utah at the Ford place. There it is, man. Oh, God. You can win an F-150 Lightning. You can only go so far.
Where's the GOPRO's going to show today?
No? You said no.
No, that was yesterday because he was in Wisconsin or Chicago. But today, you heard no?
Yeah, because he's boycotting because of they aren't you can't smoke.
No, the current governor.
I'm sorry. I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know. He might. Mr. Walls. Coach. Don't call me
All
coach.
the signs were in the convention center when he came out. Coach Walls.
Coach. Escorting the police.
It'd be fun if we saw someone in the room. We saw Alyssa right now.
Yep. We should have just stalked Joe Mauer. We should have done. Just follow him around the camera.
Video.
Yep. Yeah, they're just copycats.
Are they by the same parent company or not?
Probably. They're just, you look at them, they're the same thing as a Toro, just different paint job. Probably. You been getting caught in a rainstorm on this damn boy?
At least it's somewhat covered. I mean,
Right.
this was coming at an angle,
Right.
but with the breeze, it would be getting us.
Mm-hmm.
Surprised the milk place doesn't have another location.
The
Where
who?
you can drink milk,
Yeah, I know.
like up here.
Loon Lake Tea.
Ish.
There to the right.
It's a pavilion. That's where we usually have our thing.
Yep, that's well. Over there is the concert over there.
Grandstand.
And
Police.
Bubbles. Yeah, we saw some. We saw baby Jesus, man, in the flesh. Coming down the hill.
I'm just gonna get my skin off the seat here so I don't pull it off.
All right, guys. See you next one.